Congress sources have informed CNN News 18 that Rahul Gandhi will be in Srinagar today and will also be finalizing the alliance between the Congress party and the National Conference for the upcoming elections in Jammu and Kashmir. So, big update coming in is that we're learning, according to our Congress sources, that Rahul Gandhi will be in Srinagar today and he will also be finalizing the alliance between the Congress and the National Conference for the upcoming elections. And CNN News 18's Sherin Elizabeth is joining us on this with more details. Sherin, what more details do we have as far as the possibility of an alliance between the Congress party and the NC is concerned?
Well, remember, the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi were supposed to do a two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir, but that visit to Jammu specifically has been deferred. But as far as the visit to Srinagar concerned, that is going to happen today. Afternoon evening is when Rahul Gandhi is going to arrive in Srinagar. He will be meeting the National Conference Chief Omar Abdullah and will be discussing about the alliance between the Congress and the National Conference. Now, what our sources have been suggesting is that given the fact that how Congress have done well in Lok Sabha elections, they have got around 99 MPs, and being, in the alliance, they feel that they have more power when it comes to negotiating the seats, and hence out of the 90 seats, the Congress will in fact be demanding somewhere around 35 to 45. But the sources also been suggesting that it seems that Omar Abdullah is not willing to give anything more than 25 seats to the Congress party. Apart from that, the Congress sources also have been suggesting that their Congress is in fact very much interested that PDP should also be in the alliance fold. But that is something that the National Conference is not in favor of. So today the discussion will go on whether they want to include PDP or not. Congress, on the other hand, is very much interested, but Omar Abdullah, it seems, is not interested to keep PDP in the alliance. So today is when the talks will be finalized. We have to see what is the number of seats that the Congress will be getting. As of now, the Congress is demanding somewhere around 35 to 40 seats. We have to see whether a deal will be sealed between the National Conference and Congress today in Srinagar.
All right, Sherin, thank you so much for getting us all those details. Right now, we have some more breaking news coming in.